Okay, 5.1, tender for contract, Turangi and Omori Refuse Transfer Station operations. Mr. Dennis Lewis. Good afternoon, Dennis.
Good afternoon, Your Worship, councillors. I have here before you a tender for the Turangi and Muri Refuse Transfer Station operations for a period of 3 years. Just a couple of brief things. There were 2 tenders received, and we're recommending that Metallic Sweepings were the successful tenderer. They are the incumbent. Take any questions.
Thank you very much, Lewis. So they are the incumbent? Yep.
Yes, correct.
Cool. Any questions, councillors, to Mr. Lewis?
So, Mr. Chairman,
Councillor Body.
so the tender was accepted based on the highest ranking of those 2 tenders.
That is correct.
And where did the price sit in regards of the 2?
The preferred tenderer was the lowest price.
So what we're going to be signing off today is the lowest price and the high. Okay, thank you.
Good. Councillor Kingy.
Thank you, Your Worship. Mr. Lewis, in the last couple of weeks we've had the ability to have a tour to our waste centre. What do we call it here? Yeah,
Solid waste?
yeah, recycling centre and the whole Lock-Stock and Barrel up here, which has been rather interesting. I just wonder, in terms of the expectations that we set down on our suppliers, given that we work with is it EnviroWaste?
Yes.
Up here to manage our contract. I do notice a slight separation in terms of the operations from what I observed and what I was part of as part of the tour versus what I observed from a Turangi perspective. How much ability do we have, you know, when we're obviously going out for these tenders to try and get a very similar sort of end user type arrangement in terms of how they operate?
The level of service is similar for wherever a transfer station or landfill is operated. So there's no distinguishing when a tender document is written. It doesn't distinguish by geographic location.
Could you just feel the
Yeah.
difference between the two
Well,
operations?
yeah, just a bit of engagement back home. I've picked up on some things, had some talk to some of the staff there. The only thing I can put it down to is the difference in the fact who's running it. So how would I best communicate that point through to our team?
Getting in contact with the solid waste manager, Brent Aikman. I mean, there certainly is, there are differences in how different contractors treat their staff. That is for sure.
Yeah.
And that's part of that evaluation process.
Okay. Right, thank you.
Question. Yeah. Any other questions of Mr. Lewis? Okay, we've got a recommendation there. Could we have a mover, please? Councillor Kingy, was seconded by Councillor Rankin. That Metallic Sweepings get the contract going forward, continuation. So all those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against? Carried.